Welcome to the Company Communicator Pro demo video. Today, we will take you on a walkthrough of our platform, focusing on three key aspects. 1. Employee experience and settings. 2. Creating and sending a message manually, and 3. Creating and sending a message with Copilot. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we'll explore the employee settings and demonstrate how they can access and engage with various communication. Let's begin by discussing what employees will experience when they receive messages through Company Communicator Pro. Each time a message is sent, employees will receive a pop-up notification on Microsoft Teams, similar to the notifications received when a colleague sends a chat message. These communications will appear as chat conversations, as demonstrated here. Additionally, employees will have access to all previous messages that have been sent to them. Company Communicator Pro centralizes all messages, providing employees with easy access to official company communications in one place, eliminating the need to search through separate emails. With Company Communicator Pro, you can send various topics of communication. For instance, this is an example of a communication related to how to enhance the use of Microsoft Teams, onboarding new employees, updates on new hires, messages from leaders or the CEO, links to questionnaires, and the ability for employees to provide feedback. To ensure the relevance of the communications to each employee, they have the option to choose which topics they want to receive. The company has the authority to designate certain topics as mandatory. In the example displayed on the screen, corporate, demo, and accessibility have been marked as mandatory, while the user can easily toggle other topics on or off. By empowering employees to select the topics they receive, we enhance the relevance of the messages we send and, consequently, boost engagement. Secondly, we'll delve into the back office, where the internal communications team and other authorized personnel can effortlessly compose messages using our innovative Copilot feature. Now, let's explore the back office of Company Communicator Pro. Here is where you can manage your sent and draft messages. We will demonstrate how to create a message firstly without Copilot and secondly with Copilot. For instance, I've created a draft message titled Manage Workload to help employees. In the message configuration, as you can observe, the default language is English. However, you have the option to include additional languages. For instance, if there are English employees who primarily use English, they will receive communications in English. Conversely, employees who use Microsoft Teams in French will receive communications in French. This ensures that employees receive communications in their preferred language. You can also select relevant topics for your message, like human resources. Next, you can personalize the message title, content, and even add an image. Additionally, you have the option to include a call to action button. These buttons can be used to direct employees to articles or documents on SharePoint. Alternatively, you can provide a link to a Microsoft Forms survey to gather more specific feedback. The inclusion of call to action buttons within your messages empowers employees to take specific actions, whether it's exploring relevant articles, accessing important documents, or providing feedback. This interactive approach not only encourages engagement, but also facilitates seamless communication and collaboration within your organization. As you create the message, a preview is shown on the right side of the screen, giving you an idea of how it will appear to employees. You can preview the message in all the languages set on the configuration. After finalizing your message, you have two options for audience segmentation. The first option is to send the message to everyone in your organization. The second option is to send the message to specific groups. This granular segmentation allows you to personalize the message delivery based on the nature of the content or the specific recipient's roles or departments. After saving the draft, you can go back to the main screen and choose to send the communication. And lastly, we'll generate a message using the advanced generative AI integrated in the solution, which we will call Copilot. Let's consider a scenario where you find yourself short on time or in need of inspiration to craft a message. In such cases, you can rely on our innovative tool called Copilot, a generative artificial intelligence designed to assist you in creating messages effortlessly. The process is simple. Just follow the usual steps we discussed earlier, but instead of manually writing or copying and pasting, you click on Generate with Copilot. The process begins by supplying Copilot with the topic of your message, for example, providing guidance to your employees on effective workload management. With this information, Copilot springs into action, using its generative capabilities to craft a compelling message. Once you've specified the topic, you can request Copilot to generate the title, compose several key points, create a well-rounded conclusion, and even incorporate expressive emojis to add a touch of personality to your text. This comprehensive approach ensures that your message encompasses all the necessary elements to effectively convey your intended message. Moving forward, you have the opportunity to shape the tone of the message by selecting whether you want it to be brief and concise, moderately detailed, or more extensive in length. This flexibility allows you to cater the message style and level of detail to suit your specific communication needs and preferences. Once you click on the Generate button, Copilot springs into action, utilizing its advanced algorithms and sophisticated artificial intelligence capabilities to automatically fill in the title and message with carefully crafted content that aligns with the provided parameters. However, the flexibility of Copilot doesn't end there, as it empowers you with the ability to exert your creative control and tailor the message to perfection by making further modifications, injecting your unique style, and adding that personalized touch that truly resonates with your audience. Adding an image to your message is just as straightforward. You can either browse through your own documents to find a suitable image you prepared in advance or rely on Copilot's suggestions. By simply providing a keyword, Copilot searches, Bing, and retrieves the most appropriate images for your message. You even have the option to filter the images to display only those with Creative Commons licenses. Furthermore, you can choose whether to request feedback from the employees and add a call to action button to encourage their engagement with the message. If you are writing messages in multiple languages, Copilot can also assist you by generating the same message in different languages. As shown on the screen, you can repeat the process for the French language or any other languages needed. Finally, following the same steps as before, you select the recipients of the message and save it as a draft. Returning to the main screen, you can choose to send the message from the available options. You will see the draft of the message in both English and French or other selected languages, and if you are satisfied with the content, simply click Send. With Copilot's assistance, the process of creating and sending messages becomes more efficient, even allowing for multi-language communication. It empowers you to streamline your message creation, save time, and ensure your messages are impactful and well received by your intended audience, and add emojis. Company Communicator Pro stands as a powerful tool for enhancing internal communication, reach, and segmentation, revolutionizing the way organizations streamline their messaging within Microsoft Teams. If you're interested in exploring the full capabilities of this app or have any further questions, we encourage you to reach out to us. Our team is ready to provide comprehensive information and assist you in leveraging Company Communicator Pro to unlock the full potential of your internal communications. Contact us today to embark on a journey towards improved communication efficiency and employee engagement.